You might notice that I sound like Kanye West, but I didn't ask Kanye to do a voiceover for Sonance. It's just the power of AI.
So right now, AI has turned the music industry upside down with, for example, this fake Drake song, or these crazy Kanye covers. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a collab with any big artist you want. As you saw, it's quite easy to turn any voice into another one. So first we need to pick a vocal sample. I will pick one from my new Diry Tech sample pack.
We lose our party rocker must bottoms up, turn it up.
So let's use this one.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
Then we're gonna head over to the AI generator. First we're gonna select a rapper. As you can see, you can choose from any big artist as Drake, JC. But we'll be using Kanye. Then just drop in the vocal.
Bottoms up, turn it up.
And there we have our Kanye West vocal.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
So let's drop it back in FL Studio. As you see, we're working in 125 BPM and E minor. So now we're gonna make a drop in the vocal. First we're gonna work on the bass, so to give it more context, I want to add a kick to it. Something like this.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
Now we're gonna work on the bass line. First we're gonna edit a new serum. Pick a bass from the pack. Let's use this one. First I want to give it a sidechain as well. So now we're gonna work on the MIDI. We are working in E minor, so
Bottoms up, turn it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up.
let's just work on the MIDI.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottom.
I think this one works really well actually, so duplicate it.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up.
Yeah, that's perfect. So now we're gonna mix it. It's a fairly simple MIDI, but it really does the job. First I want to add some more compression on it. Just like this. And mix it all together, so we're gonna add a sidechain to the vocal as well. And lower down the volume of the kick. Then bring back in the vocal.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms
And
up,
a bit of reverb on the
turn it
knee.
up, shake it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
That's a really solid foundation of it. So now we're gonna work on the drums. First drop in open head. At every offbeat. Then drop in the clap. We're gonna add a delay to the clap as well to add some more groove to it. So just add a delay to it. Automate it to only have it playing at the last clap of every 2 bars. Giving this effect. So now we're gonna add a closed head to it. We'll be using this one and just select and just drop it in before the open head. Just like this. And then we're gonna add a snare drum to it as well. I want to place it right here. Something like this. And of course we need to mix it in properly. Yeah, that's dope. So now we're gonna add some more percussion to it. Let's use this one and pitch it down 3 semitones to get it in the right key. From G to E minor. Yeah, that's a really dope groove, so now we're gonna mix it together to a drum bass. First with some compression. And then with some transient shaping. Just to add some more punch to it. Together with the other elements, it sounds like this.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
We got a drums and bass ready, so now it's time to dive into synth elements. Again, just add in a new serum. And pick a preset from the pack. So let's use this one.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up.
Lower down the volume.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
First add a side to it as well.
Turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
Distortion.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up.
And of course get rid of the low end.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up.
And reverb on the lay as well.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
So now we're gonna add a second synth to it. Just copy over the first one to keep the same mixing. Let's see how this one sounds.
Bottoms up, turn it up,
Yeah, that's
shake it
dope.
up, fuck it up.
So now we're gonna add a third one to it. Let's use this wobble sound at the end of the drop.
Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up.
Yeah, that's perfect. So that's it for the synth elements. Now we're gonna work on the transitions and build up. I just made a quick build up and dropped in a few effects. Let's dive into it. First I added this crash fill at the end of the drop. I also duplicated the 4 bars we had to turn it into an 8-bar drop loop. Then I automated a mod wheel of this synth to let it open up during the drop, giving this effect. It creates more tension in the drop. Then I added a low cut animation on the master channel to get rid of the low end during the drop, giving this effect. Then I just created a simple build up with a down and uplifter. A snare build.
Bottoms
The
up,
vocal, kick, and bass with the low cut animation. And just a small intro.
fuck it up.
So that's it for the Kanye West collab. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up, turn it up, shake it up, fuck it up. Bottoms up,